We firmly believe that only by creating value for our customers can we truly achieve success. With over 2 decades of deep expertise in the industry, Lexuan has completed more than 800 coating line projects, accumulating extensive technical knowledge. Since 1998, we have built an engineering team of more than 80 professionals dedicated to the design and manufacturing of coating equipment. We provide one-stop services covering coating line design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and after-sales support, offering full lifecycle turnkey solutions. We have led the development of heavy-duty anti-corrosion coating equipment for castings, and our electrophoretic coating equipment and electrostatic powder coating equipment hold at the forefront of the industry. We firmly believe that innovation is the key to sustainable growth. Recognized as a national high-tech enterprise, we hold more than 100 authorized patents and software copyrights. Precision craftsmanship defines our present. Intelligent manufacturing guides our future. With advanced facilities and technologies, we have established an efficient and controllable production process. Every step reflects our uncompromising pursuit of quality, demonstrating our determination to build on excellence and move forward through innovation. Coating is far more than for show. Our products also employ electrostatic spraying technology, followed by high-temperature curing to form a dense, durable, and brilliant protective layer. A uniquely designed powder recovery system achieves a utilization rate of up to 98% for powder coatings. The intelligent control system achieves a leap from automation to smart operation. All products undergo rigorous testing and inspection before delivery. Customized packaging to ensure safe shipment. Professional engineering technicians provide on-site installation and commissioning services to guarantee flawless equipment delivery and efficient production startup. Quality secures survival. Innovation drives growth. With superior product quality and service, our coating equipment is trusted by leading Chinese enterprises and exported to more than 20 countries worldwide, with overseas business accounting for over 40%. This trust stems from our unwavering philosophy.
我们为客户实现双赢，深入了解客户需求，用我们的专业知识，站在客户立场，为客户分析评估，做客户真正想要和需要的涂装设备。
Looking ahead, through our talents, our technology, and our services, we will create the most competitive products and make our customers enjoy the true joy of excellent coating equipment. Jiangsu Lexuan Intelligent Equipment Company Limited, a technology-driven coating equipment company.